Hi, Dave Lynnes here with Lynnes Welding Training out of Fargo in Bismarck, North Dakota. Today I'm going to show you how to run vertical up on a T-joint short circuit transfer using .035 ER70S-6 wire, C25 shielding gas, 75% argon, 25% CO2. And I'm going to start out with the machine set at 17.1 on the volts and 174 on the wire feed speed. So I'm going to show you my technique for the first pass, the root pass, and then we'll put a second pass over it and a third pass, and I'll show you the different techniques that I use. So let me put my welding gear on and we'll start welding. My technique for the first pass is an inverted V, and hopefully you can see my technique while I'm welding here. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. So that first pass was an inverted V, and now I'm going to come straight across, pause, step up, pause, straight across, pause. Okay, here we go. Second pass. Okay, there we have the second pass. Bust off this little piece of wire here. You can see the second pass. And then I'm going to put a third pass over that there. Okay. Normally we'd weld all the way out on this plate, but for demonstration purposes today we're going to just weld half the plate. Alright, so the third pass is going to be same technique. I'm going to start on the edge, straight across, pause, step up, pause, step up, pause. And I usually pause, you can count 1001. When you get to the edge and pause, 1001. Get to the edge, 1001. see it's getting extremely hot. I should actually dunk it in some water here before we continue welding on it. But I just wanted you to see what the technique looks like right now. You can see my step ups from where I pause. If you don't pause long enough on the sides to let that fill in, you're going to get that high crown. So you want to make sure you come wide enough, pause 1001, step over, pause 1001. That'll help to flatten it out for you. So if you're getting a high crown, try going a little bit wider or pausing a little bit longer on the sides. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today on vertical up, short circuit transfer, 3 passes. If you have any questions or would like some more information about our school, go to learntoweld.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.